Hello everybody. Today we have completed all the articles of the oscillations uh, and also in terms of various terms in deep deep manner. If the terms are asked as if the terms are asked in the round manner, or if you can't understand what is the question, that also we have completed. Now we are going to start the textbook exercise of the oscillation. So, oscillation textbook exercise. In that first MCQ is what V is given as the velocity is half of the maximum of half. Okay, whatever the maximum velocity is there or speed is there, whatever speed is there, which is half, and we have to find the x. So we have the formula v is equal to omega under root a square minus x square. Okay, and so v max we have a omega. In this, then we are putting this value a omega a square minus x square is equal to omega a 1 by 2. Okay, and then squaring. After squaring this will be a square minus x square is equal to a square is equal into 1 upon 4. Okay, then further minus x square we will take this side and a square this side, then it will be minus 3 a square upon 4, and x is equal to this minus will be cancelled, x is equal to root 3, this square will be here under root 3 a upon 4. So this is the answer of the first question, which is option A is the answer of the first question. Next question, next MCQ we will see. Given is, what is given? Given is mass is equal to 1 kg, and the in your textbook the question is given. I am not writing the whole question on the board. You may read the question in your textbook and then take your textbook in your hand and then uh, see this solution. Okay, then only you will get understand. Okay, then only you will understand, and otherwise you will not get anything in your mind. Okay, so what you do, you will one by one. If I am solving the question number 1, you read the question first one, and then the answer is solution is here on the board. Each for each question I will do like this only. Okay, so in that, x is given as, for us x is given as 6 sine. I will write what is given and what to find and then solution. Okay, and explain the terms. Only I will not write the question on the board. Okay, and we have to find here the kinetic energy. Maximum kinetic energy we have to find. Okay, now here we will see that x is equal to and p phi is equal to pi by 4. From this comparing this equation, what we got, that a is equal to 6 A is equal to 6 centimeter, and comparing this pi is equal to pi by 4 here. Okay. Now kinetic, you must know the concept. You must know the theoretical concept that the kinetic energy at the main position is maximum. I have taught you all the terms. What is mean position, what is extreme position, what is the right extreme position, and what is the left extreme position, and where at which point the kinetic energy and the potential energy is maximum. I have taught you. So in this concept, using this concept, at mean position the kinetic energy is maximum. So write it as kinetic energy is maximum. Kinetic energy is maximum at mean position. Means x is equal to 0. Therefore, we can write as x is equal to 0. And then further we will solve as 1 by 2. Kinetic energy is 1 by 2 into m into omega square. Omega square a square minus x square. Okay. And here now we will put the value of 1 by 2. This will be 1 by 2 into 1 into 100. Okay. Into 6 into 10 raised to minus 2, and x is 0 the whole square. Okay. So further it will be 1 by 2 into 10 raised to 4 into 6 square will be 36 into 10 raised to minus 4, and here it will be, the answer will be after solving will be 18 joule, and the answer will be option D from your textbook. Okay. So given is m is equal to 1 kg. Okay, and x is given as 6 6 sine omega t, instead of omega here it is 100, so we have written here as omega as 100. Okay, the square is remaining here, omega square, and then 100 into t plus pi by 4, and then kinetic minus, we have to find the kinetic maximum kinetic, and then what we got that x a is equal to 6 centimeter, and phi is equal to, here is phi is equal to pi by 4. So kinetic energy at me is maximum. Kinetic energy is maximum at mean position. So x is equal to 0. So further solving the kinetic energy formula, m1 by 2 m omega square a square minus x square into 1 by 2 1 into 100 the 100 square into 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 into this x is 0, so here it will be 0, then 1 by 2 as it is, then this will be 10 raised to 4, and this 6 square will be 36, and this 10 raised to minus 2 will be 10 raised to 4, and then this will be 18 joule. 18 joule will be the second answer of your second MCQ. Now third MCQ we will solve. For time seconds pendulum, for the time period of a second pendulum, the time period of second pendulum is twice s. Okay, and we have to find the value of length of length suffix m, and length is given as 1 meter for the pendulum. Okay, now we will write the formula. T is equal to 2 pi. You read out the question, then you will get it. What we are trying to solve, what we have to find, we will see that. Okay, so write the so read the question first. I am writing the solution. These two and these two will be get cancelled out, and then squaring. What will happen? 1 is equal to pi square L upon G, and L is equal to G upon pi square. Okay, and L is directly proportional to G. So Lm upon G is equal to G of M upon G of E. Okay, so L of M upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 6. So L of M is equal to 1 upon 6 M. Okay, this for the second pendulum, we know the for the second pendulum, the time period for the second pendulum is twice s. So it is twice s. So t is equal to 2 pi upon under root L upon g. This is the formula. We know that time period for the pendulum, and then substituting this t value here 2, and this 2 get cancelled out. Then squaring will be, this will be cancelled out after squaring, and L is equal to G upon pi square, and L is directly proportional to G. Okay, and then L upon M is upon G is equal to Gm upon G of suffix E. Okay, L upon M, Lm upon M 1 is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay, and then which is equal to 1 upon 6m is the answer of the third MCQ. Now we will find the fourth MCQ. Fourth MCQ we will solve. What we know, the solution we will solve directly. Solution is t is equal to 2 pi upon, we know the value of time period of t is equal to 2 pi upon under root m upon k. Okay, and the frequency, or we can write as frequency like this, is equal to 1 upon 2 pi upon under root k upon m. Okay, and n is directly proportional to the square root of the k. Okay, first, when the two springs are connected, there, read out the question. Spring when springs are connected in series, then 1 upon k suffix s for series is equal to k plus k, which is equal to 1 upon ks, and which is equal to 2 upon k, and ks is equal to k by 2. Okay, now when second case, when springs are connected in parallel, when springs are connected in parallel, then kp, we are writing as kp is equal to k plus k, 1 upon k. Here it was 1 upon k.
वीस तारखेला 11 ग्रुप बनवून ठेवलाय त्याचे पैसे टाक
which is equal to twice k, and then n is directly proportional to under root k. Okay, then n of s is upon n of p will be equal to k of s upon k of p. Okay, we know the time period t is equal to 2 pi m under root m upon k, and all frequency is, it will become reverse, k will be here m upon k upon m, because n is equal to, because n is equal to 1 upon k. Okay, so n frequency is directly proportional to under root of k. Okay, and k is m omega square. Okay, and when the springs are connected in series, then 1 upon k s means for series, k suffix series is equal to 1 upon k plus 1 upon k, which is equal to further as 1 upon ks is equal to 2 upon k. Okay, 2 upon k, and then ks is equal to k by 2, and when springs are connected in parallel, then k of suffix p, we are taking as a k suffix p for parallel, is equal to k plus k is equal to twice k, and n is directly proportional to under root of k, and then n n of s upon n of p is equal to under root of ks upon kp. Further, we will solve this step as then this, here it will be k upon Here it will be k upon 2 into 2k. So this k will be cancelled out. Further step we will solve. Is equal to 1 upon 4 and this is equal to 1 by 2. So n of s is to n of p is equal to 1 is to 2. So this is your answer of the fourth MCQ. Okay, got it? Now further we will see. Are you getting this? Now we will further see. Fifth MCQ we will see that at mean position x is equal to 0, then see the statement is at mean position x is equal to 0, then acceleration is also minus omega square is also equal to 0. Okay, so it is incorrect. We have to take out the right answer, and B is when x is equal to 3 pi by 4, then displacement is minus a, and f is equal to minus k of x, which is equal to k into minus a. We are substituting this value here. Okay, here value we are substituting. Okay, first was at mean position when x is equal to 0, then acceleration is also 0. This is incorrect. And next statement was when x is equal to 3 pi by 4, then displacement is minus a, then substituting f is equal to minus of kx in minus of kx, which is equal to minus of k into this, substituting x instead of x, this minus k here become k, then it will be k of x, sorry, k of a, it will be. Okay, so this is the option B is, this was the option B. This is the correct answer for your fifth MCQ. Okay, now further we will solve the question number 8, numerical. We have completed the MCQ. Now we will start the we will start directly the now MCQ. Sorry, we have completed MCQ 5 MCQ. Now we will start the numericals directly. In this, path length is given as 10 centimeter, and speed is 1 by 2 half of V max, and x is equal to, we have to find x is equal to question mark, and now the amplitude is path length divided by 2. Path length divided by 2, which is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. And V is equal to now. V is equal to, we know the formula, V is equal to under root omega into a square minus x square. Okay, and then omega a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2 into V max. Okay, and then this will be now omega into under root of a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2 into omega a. Then this omega will be well cancelled. Now squaring a square minus x square 1 upon 4 into a square, then minus x square is equal to a square upon 4 minus a square, then minus x square will be further is equal to minus 3 a square divided by 4, and x is equal to under root 3 by 2 into a, and which is equal to root 3 by 2 into 5. Okay, so under root 3 by 2 will be under root 3 into under root 3 by 2 will be 0.866 into 5, and the answer is 4.33 centimeter. Okay, here when what we have given as, you read out the question first, read the question, and the given is path length and we have to find x. Okay, and velocity is half of maximum, and amplitude is, here amplitude is there was the mistake of amplitude. Amplitude A is equal to path length by 2. Then path length was 10 by divided by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, and V is equal to omega into a square minus x square. So omega into omega into a square under root a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2 V max. Okay, so this will be, then omega and this omega will be cancelled out, and then squaring, after squaring this will not be there, under root will be not there, and this will be 1 by 2, then 2 square is 4a square, and this minus x square a square by 4, and this a square will be here minus a square, and minus x square is equal to minus 3a square upon 4. Then x is equal to under this x square root will be here under root 3 this minus will be get cancelled out and root 3 into a, because this was the a square here. Okay, a square upon 4. Okay, then x, which is equal to minus x square, is equal to minus 3a upon 4. Okay, then x is equal to under root 3 by 2. Okay, 2, because the square root will be, then it will be 2 into a, then under root 3 by 2 into 5. The value of a is 5 here, and then 0.8. The value of root 3 by 2 is root 0.866 into 5 is equal to 4.33 centimeter is your answer of this question. Okay, got it. Now we will solve further. Question number 9 we will solve now. Question in the question number 9 given is d square x upon dt square is equal to minus 36 x. Now we are rearranging this question as this equation as dx by d square x by dt square plus 36x is equal to 0. Okay, then we know the equation as d square x, differential equation as d square x upon dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. Okay, now comparing what we get, comparing omega square as we get 36. Okay, so omega is equal to 6. This under root will be go on this side, because this is the 36, 6 is the 36. Okay, then omega is equal to 2 pi n, and n is equal to omega upon 2 pi, which is equal to n is equal to 6 upon 2 pi. Then this will be equal to 3 upon 3.14, which is equal to 0.955 hertz, and period is t is equal to 1 upon n, which is equal to 1 upon 0.995, which is equal to 1.05 hertz. Okay, so this was the given equation. D square x by dt square is equal to minus 36x, and we have to find the frequency and period both. Then d square x by dt square is plus 36x. Okay, and then plus omega square x is equal to 0. Comparing, we get omega square is equal to 36 and omega is equal to 6. Then omega is equal to 2 pi n, and n is equal to omega upon 2 pi. Then 6 upon 2 pi is equal to 3 upon 1, 3.14, and this n will be 0.955 hertz, and period t is equal to 1 upon n is equal to 1 upon n. 0.105 is equal to 1.05 hertz will be the period. Okay, this was the year question number 9. Now we will see what is question number 10. This is your main position, and we have to find this at this point. Acceleration at this point when the time, we have to find the time at this point when it is 1 by 3p. Okay, then also you don't understand, read out the question, and then you will get this what the solution is going on. Okay, read out the question from your textbook. Okay, a is given as 4 centimeter and n is given as 5 hertz. Not 33p. We have to find the acceleration after 1 upon time. We have to find the acceleration after the time t is equal to 1 upon 30. We find acceleration after t is equal to 1 upon 30 seconds. From in position. Okay, so omega is equal to 2 pi n, and n is 5. Here n is 5. So this will be 10 pi radian. Magnitude, we are finding the acceleration of magnitude we are finding, so we are taking as a mod, and which is omega square a sin omega t, a sin omega t which is equal to 10 pi whole square into 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 into sine into 10 pi into 1 upon 30. So this is equal to 100 pi square into 0.04 into sine pi by 3. 100 into this will be equal to 9.872 into 0.04 into sine pi by 3. Okay, which is equal to then 4 square into 9.872 into under root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 5.872 into 1.732 is equal to 34.19 meter per second square. So this was your 10th question. We have to, the A was given and frequency was given, and this is the mean position, and we have to find the acceleration at this point when the time was 1 upon 30. Okay, acceleration after time t is equal to 1 upon 30. With this we have to find. Okay, then we know the formula omega is equal to 2 pi m. Okay, 2 pi m. Then I have solved then is equal to this, put the value of this n here, which is equal to 10 pi, and then 10 mod of, we have to find in the form of magnitude, so omega square a sine omega t. Okay, and then 10 pi square into 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 into sine 10 pi into 1 upon 30. Okay, then further it will be 100 pi square into 0.04 into sine pi by 3. Okay, then, okay, are you getting? Then 100 9.872 into 0.04 into sine pi by 3. Then 4 square, we are taking this as a 4 square. Then 9.8 into under root 3 by 2. Okay, then 2 into 5.8 into, this will be the answer, then 3.14 into meter square. This was the answer of your 10th question. Now we will solve the question number 11.